Hello guys, today let's learn how to give introduction. Okay, so we will learn in this video how to give introduction in front of others. Okay, some students give to introduction myself, and when we give to introduction in front of others, so you hesitate, you more hesitate, and you nervous in front of others. So today we will learn in this video how to give introduction in front of others. Okay, so let's start today's video, and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rajbati. And today I will discuss about in this video I learn how to introduction in front of others, and I am going to share some points of me, and so first of all, you can remember, your name. First of all, your name. So your name, ABC, and anyone. Okay, and second, you can use any adjectives like hard working and motivational, self motivational, many types. Okay, and second thing, you can give the introduction in front of others, and second, you can about your qualification, your address. Okay, and where is a belong, you can explain second things, second points, and third point, you can explain your qualification. Okay, you have completed, doesn't matter, and you can pursue, so you can explain your qualification. And third thing, third point, fourth point, fourth point, you can explain, you have a experience. Okay, so you can explain fourth point. And fifth point, introduction, in an introduction you can explain your family members. Okay, you can tell about your family members, and you have a nuclear family, joint family, and how many members are there in your family. Okay, you can explain, and seventh point, you can explain your hobbies, and your hobbies, and after that you can explain your weakness and strength. Okay, and last point is, it is a last point, it is a in introduction, like you can explain, you want to. Okay, and do you want to in your life, so do you want to become a in your life. Okay, so you can explain last, and that's it, your point. You can use the more based thing in your introduction, and you can learn, I explain this things, I tell you about 7 8 points in your introduction. So your introduction is a totally